one point, a Japanese company named Hakusan changed the game in the wood veneer industry. They managed to slice veneer as thin as 0.2 millimeters. That became a new standard in the industry. But Hakusan didn't stop there. They went on to develop something even more impressive: Sandfoot. Sandfoot is a special type of veneered wallpaper. It looks like real wood, but it's much thinner and more flexible. The secret lies in its patented design. Sandfoot is made up of 5 layers, including a layer of aluminum foil. This clever structure makes it fire-resistant. It also allows the wallpaper to bend up to 90 degrees without breaking. It's easy to install too. You can apply it just like regular wallpaper. Even though it looks like solid wood, it's only 0.3 millimeters thick. That means it won't take up much space in your room. Sandfoot can stick to almost any surface. It's used in many places, not just homes. You'll find it in hotels, concert halls, public buildings, and other stylish spaces. With Sandfoot, any room can have a warm, wooden feel, without the cost or weight of real wood panels. Rothoblast Defense Adhesive. When wood is being transported or used in construction, it needs protection. That's where Rothoblast Defense Adhesive comes in. This is a special protective membrane designed to shield wood during the building process. It's transparent, so workers can still mark or measure on top of it easily. It's also self-adhesive, which means no extra glue is needed. You just peel and stick. One of its best features is that it's waterproof, but it still allows vapor to pass through. This helps prevent moisture buildup while keeping the wood dry. It's also lightweight, with a weight of only about 200 grams per square meter. Thanks to its advanced formula, this membrane can protect wood for up to 12 weeks. Rothoblast, the company behind this product, is known around the world. They operate in over 70 countries, providing tools, fasteners, and equipment made especially for wood construction. So, if you want to keep your wood safe and strong during building, Rothoblast Defense Adhesive is a smart choice. Immerso. A team of architects has created something unique, a tiny house called Immerso. It may be small, only 6 square meters, but it can comfortably fit 4 people. One of its best features is how easy it is to build. A group of 4 people can put it together in just 2 hours. No special tools are needed, no construction experience either. If you can connect plywood panels, you can build Immerso. It's more than just a tiny house. It also works as a guest room or a cozy lounge. Its walls and roof are transparent, so you can enjoy the view from inside. The house shown here is placed in the Italian Alps, a perfect match for its design. And when privacy is needed, you can just pull the curtains. Immerso offers a simple, stylish, and peaceful way to experience nature, all with smart design and easy setup. Systimber. By the year 2030, the UN estimates the world's population will reach 8.5 billion. At the same time, a G20 report says that about 40% of people may not have a place to live. This makes fast and affordable housing more important than ever. One solution comes from Systimber, a company based in Belgium. Their team has created a smart building system using solid wooden blocks. These blocks connect with a tongue and groove system and are held in place with anchors in pre-drilled holes. It's simple, strong, and quick. With this method, just 2 or 3 people, even without professional building skills, can put up a small house in just a few days. The best part? You don't need extra insulation or interior finishing. It's ready to use once assembled. And if you ever need to move, the house can be taken apart and rebuilt somewhere else. This makes the system economical, portable, and a real hope for more affordable housing worldwide. It might not be luxury, but it's a smart, solid place to call home. Steinfix is a simple but smart system for laying tiles, stones, pavers, and other types of outdoor flooring. There's nothing complicated about it. The system includes a support profile, a grid, and a few basic extras like wedges, anchors, or nails to help align the material. The grid sits underneath the slabs or pavers, held in place by their weight. But don't let the simple design fool you. The structure can handle up to 3.5 tons of load. That makes Steinfix strong enough even for driveways and parking areas. Another great feature is how clean and neat it looks. The system helps you create a uniform gap between the tiles and the grass or lawn, giving your space a professional and polished appearance. And the layout is fully customizable, so you can shape the area to match your design preferences. With Steinfix, your outdoor spaces can look stylish, clean, and solid without the hard work. You've probably seen ads about super strong tape that can seal almost anything. But when it comes to concrete, brick, or natural stone, there's a better solution. And it's not tape. It's called Ombran Blubber, a special mortar designed to fix leaks fast. This product hardens quickly and expands when it touches water. That means you can seal cracks or leaks in no time, even in wet conditions. It's also safe to use. There are no corrosive chemicals, and any extra material can be easily removed later to keep things clean. Ombran W comes in a 15-kilogram bucket, giving you plenty of product for future repairs. Whether you're fixing walls, floors, or outdoor surfaces, this mortar offers a strong, long-lasting seal, all without the mess of traditional solutions. This next product is a unique insulation material with a honeycomb structure. It's called Hybris, and it's so effective that it's even being used to turn shipping containers into mini apartments. That says a lot about its performance. The material offers several key benefits. It's moisture resistant, wind resistant, and provides excellent sound insulation. It doesn't shrink, and it works well in all seasons, keeping heat in during winter and out during summer. Hybris is also easy to work with. It comes in thicknesses from 50 to 205 millimeters, and one person can cut, handle, and install it without any special tools. Each roll covers about 2.7 square meters, and the cost is around $46. If you're looking for insulation that's smart, strong, and easy to use, Hybris might be the right fit. A quiet home is a peaceful home, but if your house is near a busy road, that peace can be hard to find. Traffic noise can reach up to 70 or 80 decibels, which is loud enough to disturb anyone. That's where Durasol Bucobran comes in. This soundproofing wall system can reduce noise by about 30 decibels after installation. That's a huge improvement in comfort and quiet. The secret is in the material. Durasol is made from 80 to 90% wood chips mixed with Portland cement and mineral additives. It's strong, durable, and built to last. Installing the wall is surprisingly simple. The blocks are stacked like Lego bricks, using guide rails to hold them in place. No heavy machinery or complicated tools are needed. Once the blocks are in place, the wall is ready to go. It's also fire resistant, handles temperature changes well, and can even withstand stone impacts. Durasol Bucobran is a solid choice for anyone looking to block out the noise and bring calm back to their home. Amaco AO is a company with a simple but powerful idea. They want more people to use local building materials in construction. At first, this might not sound exciting, but using local materials saves time and money. It also helps the environment by reducing transportation. But what if the right materials aren't available nearby? The answer is simple. Look down. Right beneath our feet, we can find resources like clay, limestone, and more. For example, in Switzerland, builders used earth to create the walls of the Swiss Ornithological Institute in Sempach. They filled 50 meters of formwork with earth. Then they compacted it, cut it, dried it, and used it to build the walls. It was natural, efficient, and sustainable. In France, AO experts took it a step further. They helped design a special type of concrete. It was made by mixing limestone and clay. These materials had been thrown away as quarry waste. Instead of letting them go to waste, they turned them into something useful. This smart thinking inspired many others. One group even created a new product called Vert Edge. Their idea was so innovative, they won an award for it. Cracked and sunken roads are a big problem. They cause delays, damage vehicles, and cost money. This was the case with Highway 36 in the United States, one of the busiest roads in the area. The damage was serious, and a fast solution was needed. Engineers decided to use geofoam blocks to fix it, and the results were impressive. The entire repair job was finished in just 2 months. This quick turnaround took a lot of planning and teamwork. 6 factories worked together to produce over 6,100 geofoam blocks. About 200 truck drivers delivered the blocks to the site. The blocks are large but light. Each one is made of styrofoam and usually measures 2.4 by 1.2 by 1 meter. On site, workers carefully placed each block into position. These lightweight cubes helped raise and support the road without adding too much pressure to the ground. Thanks to geofoam, Highway 36 got a second life. Fast, safe, and smart. Stillam grading slabs are a smart choice for public spaces. They are great for playgrounds and tricky areas like roadsides. Government officials often use them to improve comfort and appearance. The slabs have gaps that are filled with grass or lawn, giving a natural and pleasant look. They're soft, like the surface of a playground, but also strong enough to hold heavy things like swings. One of Stillam's biggest advantages is its versatility. It works well even in uneven areas where regular pavement might not fit. Each slab is about 65 millimeters thick, so during heavy rain, they can also serve as temporary islands to walk on. This makes Stillam not just practical, but also safe and stylish for all kinds of outdoor spaces. EVIA Grund uses a smart and modern way to build house foundations. With Kohler technology, there's no need for concrete. Instead, the foundation is made using steel blocks. These blocks are filled with 2 layers of foam glass panels. To build a foundation for a house around 110 square meters, you only need a 3-person crew and a crane truck. It's fast and cost-effective. The entire foundation and frame can be finished in just 1 day. The estimated cost? About $118 per square meter. Kohler is also exciting for architects. It works well for wood-framed buildings and can support structures up to 5 stories tall. And it's eco-friendly. All the materials used in the system can be reused or recycled. EVIA Grund offers a faster, greener, and smarter way to build strong foundations. All you need now is glue, water, and a dispenser. That's it. It sounds like a dream for any builder. These special blocks have already been tested by a seasoned pro with 35 years of experience. With their help, he finished his task 73% faster than usual. Just imagine how much time beginners could save too. These blocks make the job easier for everyone. You don't need to adjust the block height anymore. And the adhesive mix used with them is much stronger than regular mortar, both in bending strength and pulling strength. You only need about 6 blocks per square meter. That means you'll spend less time placing and aligning each piece. In fact, a team of 3 people can build a 40 square meter basement in just 1 day. Beton Delhomme Rectaloam is changing the game, making building faster, cleaner, and smarter. Excalibur isn't a movie about King Arthur. It's a modern and innovative construction system. In traditional construction, steel beams are often used, but they can be expensive, heavy, and time-consuming to work with. That's where Excalibur comes in. This technology uses a pre-designed steel framework. It includes components like rafters, columns, and beams, all designed to fit together easily, like a large kit. Customers can order all kinds of structures, even something big like a warehouse, just like the one shown in the example. And here's the impressive part. The entire frame for that warehouse was manufactured in only 3 days. Excalibur uses galvanized steel, which is 1.95 millimeters thick, strong enough for large builds, but still easy to work with. They've also created special rivets to make the assembly process even smoother. With Excalibur, you get speed, strength, and smart design, all in one system. EuroBrick XClad System. The EuroBrick XClad system makes it easy to insulate a building and add brick cladding at the same time. First, workers install extruded polystyrene boards. These boards come in different thicknesses, anywhere from 17 to 100 millimeters, depending on the building's needs. Next, they attach slim brick cladding to the boards using a strong adhesive. Then, mortar is added to secure the bricks and give the appearance of traditional brickwork. The final wall system is only 33 millimeters thick, and it weighs around 36 kilograms per square meter. It's a smart choice for wooden buildings, especially during renovations or upgrades. Even better, it's eco-friendly. Producing this type of cladding uses 60 to 70% less energy compared to making standard bricks. The EuroBrick XClad system is fast, efficient, and sustainable, perfect for modern construction. In Japan, there's a small city with fewer than 30,000 people. Over the years, this city has been hit by dangerous landslides. To protect itself, the city decided to build strong reinforcement structures. One part of the process is especially impressive. A worker, strapped in like a rock climber, sprays concrete onto the slope. But concrete alone isn't enough. The structure might look like a giant tic-tac-toe board. But to really hold the slope in place, it needs human-sized anchors deep in the ground. To install these anchors, they used a special tool, the ESD210 machine. This machine can tilt anywhere from 10 degrees to 90 degrees, making it easy to work on steep and uneven surfaces. In the end, all the hard work paid off. The slope is now stable and safe. Landslides? Not anymore. iProfile Cobra. Cobra profiles are a game changer for complex drywall ceiling projects. These patented, flexible profiles are seen as innovative, even revolutionary by their creators. What makes Cobra special is its ease of use. One person can handle it alone. You simply bend the profile by hand to the curve you need. And once shaped, Cobra holds that curve. No extra tools, no inserts, no hassle. Now, building arches, domes, and other curved designs is faster and easier than ever before. Each profile is 3 meters long, and it comes in 5 width options, from 3 to 10 centimeters. Cobra is also built to last. It's made from 0.6 millimeters thick galvanized steel, which adds strength and safety. With Cobra, flexible ceiling design is no longer a challenge. It's a smooth, simple process.